seconds. Let me turn this up in my ears.
Me ready. Let me see something good.
What? 20 seconds, my friend. Them. Let's go. 15 seconds, dog.
Then my life, I'm here talk about it. Pitney way.
I'm gonna split them. Light to the split. Right to the split. Oh, yeah. 3 seconds. 2, 1.
What? Oh, you're so fast.
What is a PlayStation? Let me see this now.
A 15 seconds,
sure that may be suitable for. Okay, what game this is? Capricorn. Oh, Monster Hunter. Nice.
But I'm not already sure.
Internet fast over here, my friend. What you say?
Nah, they already showed this, dog. We don't see no Monster Hunter, dog.
Me I go play. Me want to see it. Watch it, yeah. Yeah, that's how you dodge.
We don't want to see no Monster.
One monster into you. That's your dog fought for the dog. What kind of game is that?
How you watch it on Twitch or YouTube?
YouTube. Chop him. In a ear chopping I made.
Oh, I'm here, Sparta. Monster Hunter.
Monster Hunter. May I play this? This look cheese.
I want to see that. Next.
May I get the dog with shoot, you know? Monster Hunter, a gun dog.
Gundam style.
I'm stream this day, chop, you know. I'm streaming. Ready, co-op. Oh, ball, I want to play some co-op.
Let me watch this in a 4K. 4K, boy. I feel as if me delayed, bro.
Monster Hunter, Najee.
Yo, next.
Stand witness to how its existence unfolds.
Humba.
One officer to the chat, dog. Cause the man them a spam L.
Yo, look at that. I don't care what them want to say.
Me I get that.
Me, I get that. First free. What am I give you something free?
Forward. I play a co-op.
What state of play, dog?
Baller, state of play. Go on, no baller.
Yeah, so.
We didn't show you one new game come out.
Oh, you mean?
Oh, yeah, man, Man City. That's it.
Big up yourself, me G. Big game.
Ching chong for.
皆さんこんにちは。モンスターハンターワイルズプロデューサーの辻本です。無料
Sparta
タイトルアップデ
Big
ート第
game.
1弾の追加
My you next that we don't have time, bro.
決定いたしました。この他にもタイトルアップデート
Backside, we run the beta. We already know what's going.
詳細は改めてお知らせしたいと思っております。
Event.
本作は
Nice,
数
Najee.
回のタイトル
Wait,
アップデートしています。
This Monster Hunter trash, man. What's that issue?
Nice.
The show wanna start yet?
Sega. What is
I
Wolverine?
when the show gonna start?
Dog, you should have started yet, bro.
Wolverine next.
I wait them pay the.
本日の発表は
Are your phone you use?
It start yet?
引き続き
Oh, no, Wolverine, no,
お
Wolverine.
楽しみください。
Are your phone you use?
Sega.
I'm not near them. Something. The earbuds and stuff.
No, instead of playing on start.
Yeah, start yet.
Okay, now it
Right.
start. It's a Sega.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Sparta type of game. You rather play this, you know?
What is that?
Well, I mean, I've seen it, right?
Which game is that? This a look bad.
Oh, cool.
You look bad. What?
Oh, you
It
don't
look good.
Say your type of game.
It look good now. Would I buy it? No. If it come free with PS Plus, yeah.
That's some technical game, you know, like.
Yeah, man. Nintendo Switch game this for the win.
That is, no?
And-
PlayStation PS4.
A Nintendo Switch game this
No, sir. Coming to
One thing when you swear
PS4.
for and pick you up.
This can go up on the Switch.
Right.
Look at what game there. This is Switch. Mario.
Mario not up on
Yes,
PlayStation.
no, it's a Sonic.
Yo,
Oh,
why
I think of
you
Mario there.
why you
I
so
don't know why
ahead,
I
bro?
Sonic. My bad. Forgot.
You're ahead.
Yeah, that's the remote.
Shinobi Art of Vengeance. More.
We can wait.
How are they? Sonic Racing? Alright.
Yeah. Think of Mario Kart for some reason. They do. Oh,
Keep on it, do you know there.
Mario Kart to the fan, was it?
You hear me, Pops?
And then they have a Sonic Racing already.
Yeah, they're
No.
backward. This is probably number 2 in it.
Yo, who plays this?
Me play the Crash Racing, but Crash Racing is good. Me not play this. This is
already.
this is a free with plus game.
Baller.
No, ball not play, man. I watch data play. All right, we get it, man. Next.
Sonic Racing Cross.
Diddy Kong name one racing game once.
Dead. It could give me X. But another vision. Dead.
What we are deal with
Oh,
this?
is this a real?
A Saril?
What's
A Bandai? A Bandai?
And a hard score game.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Go subs.
That big game hard score like it, you know.
I don't. I'm not
A Saril? You said Bandai Namco. A Bandai Namco make Saril?
An apocalypse looms over parallel worlds.
Yeah, sorry.
As
Baller be dead. Baller, what kind of. Baller the outside.
I know. Me not think of
What
Bandai.
I do?
Me not think of them this.
Battle to alter destiny begins. Embark on a journey alongside
To your feet,
gods,
people.
heroes, and monsters of bygone eras.
So like solo them
Anomalies. Known as Digimon.
Good turn.
A Digimon? Me blood nah.
Oh.
L.
Digimon.
L.
Yo, W.
Digimon. Come on, Swata.
W, cause what Pokemon I do?
Seize the future.
Wait.
What Pokemon I do? That's a W, yeah?
A Pokemon style fighting them, do ya?
The story
I don't know, but
that transcends time.
Digimon is a competitor.
It look like a turn base. It did look like a turn base because they stand up with one distance from each other.
我是输了之
Go
后
on.
的创作人员工，从一名独立开发者到今天与 PlayStation 携手，一路走来也历经10年。《输入之魂》结合了流畅爽快的战斗体验与丰富多样的世界设计，玩家将在各具风格的场景中探索，面对充满个性的
Moji Moji!
同时与有趣的角色互动，逐步揭开精彩的故事。接下来，我非常激动地向大家展示全新的游戏预告，并正式确认游戏的发布日期。
What is
Uh-oh.
I keep having the same dream.
I saw you pass a soccer.
What is
I see you score.
Monsters invade
I saw you
our
pass a
What
soccer.
is this now, Spot?
If I with me, I will run good pass.
powerful being falls from the sky.
Oh my god, what
When
is...
it seems they might
Use the
venture
Oh,
CJ
here we
mission,
go.
use the
Last
CJ.
soul aside.
the dream
Alright.
ends.
Ready.
Is this really just a dream? My only hope
Immediate purchase.
Club baller, them dribbling there.
Ready, feet, man. Immediate purchase.
Come, Kaiser. We will travel across worlds, leap through dimensions.
One we are run here, Najee.
One you can look play alone?
What? I knew IP.
Ah. Oh, okay. My bad.
Me I play this boy. Lone hack and slash.
Waiting to be fulfilled.
Bumbo club and swim me a bit like you.
Let
Too
me
bad.
be your vengeance.
I say your skill line and me I pass her.
Lead in your hand.
Me I pass her.
Lone hack and slash boy. Me a buy ya.
What's the ball?
How long me a track it? Long time me a watch a game.
Nah, grandma, I'm put me moving. Ducky.
Come back.
You never wanted to be a hero. But for humanity's sake,
To your feet.
you must. Then give me
The clan rise slow, you man, my bad.
Me.
Take with that. The
Me?
clan rise slow, dog. Good turn.
Yeah, me 30.
Book one.
Eh? Purchased.
The purchase.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean.
Purchased.
We've got several updates today from partners around the world, starting with news from the Like a Dragon series.
To your feet. Ready for them, man.
Oh my
Like
god.
a Dragon, Pirate Yakuza in Hawaii arrives on PS5 this Friday.
Take with that.
Players could try out 2 battle styles, including Goromaji.
Oh, that Dave the Diver. Oh, Dave the Diver. Sick.
Dave the Diver. You wouldn't even reach the say it. We are look pan pirate game, dog. Arr.
Sega and Mint Rocket join forces in Ichiban's
That's
Holiday,
Dave the
a new
Diver?
crossover DLC.
Dave the Diver, that
Diver.
is.
Ichiban Kasuga and other
That
Like
me
a
ask
Dragon
book
characters
player.
team up to thwart a gang of troublemakers.
Oh, no,
in
it gone
classic
now.
beat 'em up style, all while perfecting
That
new
different.
recipes at Bancho Sushi.
I see him game.
Dave the Diver,
Dave the
Ichiban's
Diver,
Holiday
the
arrives this April on
Ichiban
Go ahead, pants,
holiday.
Liam.
April. Pass next.
The Splitgate 2 alpha begins February
Splitgate
20th.
Man,
Two?
you Paul, hey, man.
Next time I met that.
Use portals and futuristic physics to dominate the arena, and play a new 24-player mode where 3 teams compete on a
Yeah,
Where
no.
put it?
But
Bro, on a way too ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, my
Hmm?
name is Paul Heyman. I'm here to give you an
Killer.
exclusive first look in the
Them are
future
making a
of the
arena.
WWE 2K franchise.
Oh
Alright, so
my
WWE,
god.
but not
I W the this for them man.
WWE free.
Island player-centered online environment filled with WWE themed
Right, squad. I bring 2K.
Them man they make
They
two.
bring 2K into the
Oh
wrestling.
my god. 2K
There's
wrestling.
2K they bring over here.
But
What?
Giving players the chance to personalize their My
but
I'm not mad at it.
Oh shit.
As the first
I'm not mad at it.
franchise, the island
Boom.
is not just an addition, it's a bold
It actually
step
fits.
toward the future.
It actually fits wrestling more than.
Welcome, ladies
No,
and
not more, but. It kind of fits for it.
I'm not buying it.
Let them say L.
Sir, I'm Randy
Borderland
from
4?
Gearbox, and I'm
You say, you know, spot about people buying it.
Yeah,
Well,
people
not
are
you,
gonna buy
but
it.
them say, but people buying
them
that
gonna
game.
buy
oh
it.
my god.
Every year is in the top seller game.
EA always have
So
them.
people buying it.
EA always we catch them. No matter if a 2-star the game get 1 star, people is still buying it.
We are getting closer
Why
to
people
the
Yeah.
launch
buy
of
Borderlands?
Borderlands 4.
Why would
Let's
they?
go!
Bro, this a different demographic. I don't give a shit about no Borderlands.
But Bombo club. Dead.
Hey,
Ooh.
hey, hey.
Ah, shit, Margaret, no, that lucky.
I used to play Borderland. Borderland Platinum. Yeah, let's go.
Platinum boss, yeah?
Mm.
They never have a Borderlands 4?
Unlucky.
What? The man them say woke. What is not woke?
So much fun. I want more. We don't have to wait long now. Borderlands
Ball.
break free for a special state of
Run
play
ball, I said we are.
focused exclusively
Bro,
on
what is wrong with these people,
That's
bro?
cool. The same way you play Monster Hunter, the same way people play Borderlands.
Hunters, action skills, exploration, and
Monster
discovery.
Hunter.
Who wants a launch date for Borderlands 4? This
All
rating.
on PlayStation
Well,
5.
Borderlands 4 launches worldwide for everyone.
Well, how may I hear?
I want to quit.
You see, it get its own state of play. Its own state of play. That's how big Borderlands is. Respect it.
Respect
September
Monster Hunter.
23rd,
September 23rd.
I respect Monster Hunter.
Oh my god.
How about this? Being you ready?
What?
We'll play this. Thing.
Oak. No, you buying it.
What do you mean? No, you buying it. I bought it last time. You buying it this
I
time?
bought It Takes Two. What are you talking about?
You did not. No.
I bought It Takes Two.
You are buy it.
I bought the last one. What are you
No.
talking about?
We played.
Don't start to trust each other. I don't need your trust.
I mean, we played.
You did not buy the last one. You're lying.
Who bought It Takes Two?
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Show me it on your account right now. Screenshot it. Show me it purchase on your account.
I can't look at it right now.
Download it.
Silly story.
Unlucky to get past
We
it.
got this. Yeah. Follow my lead. Are you for real?
The man say woke. Say woke.
Really, game?
Probably, yeah, woke. You can't deny that this little split screen co-op game is not good.
Unlucky.
Can't deny that.
Where's yours? Here?
Ah.
March 6th? What the hell?
See ya.
Oh, clear. Bro, my wallet, bro.
Yeah, T from bro.
March 6th? What the hell is this? Until Dawn?
Looks like it penetrated through there. We need to inspect the hull
Dead.
damage first.
Unlucky.
Doesn't look too good.
Oh shit, we have one movie to watch.
How much game is them a state of play?
500 billion in the arena. It's a movie game, yes?
A movie.
What is that? This ship is infected with an alien organism. It still doesn't
Bye.
sometimes.
But these are known actors.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
How good
Yeah, I
is this?
recognize a few of these actors.
Yeah.
I could have chew ball now, they come smoke with this ball. Seriously.
How is it a good movie? We don't know.
I know this will be difficult to hear.
Well, it's an alien movie, so
You're still out there. You deserve
potential is there. And you get to die 200 ways. But unfortunately, again, it's woke. So not bad.
This is about woke wins.
Black woman, woke.
Yeah, Joe, dog, you so much go on here.
Believe.
What is this, bro?
Wake up call.
5 nights I did this. What is?
Miguel.
Watch it again. Watch it again. Watch it again.
Ref. Foul ref. Boy, pull me
A
up.
joke on football, I know you.
I am. I mess up your ball game, dog. God, oh.
Who's playing these
I
games?
swear me did half, you know, bro. I swear to
Liam.
God. My
Weird.
Sparta, who's playing these things?
Bro, what is this?
It's 5 nights.
Huh?
A 5 nights at
5
Diddy?
nights at
Let's go.
Diddy's.
5 nights at Diddy's to block, man. Who's playing this? If you play 5 nights at Diddy's, you probably. I don't know. Next.
Greetings from
brother.
I bet you they
Think
close.
about that with the, nah, yo,
Watch them close it with
think
Yotei
about
and
those
something.
passes I gave you, bro.
Yeah, man, I know, man. I remember, man.
I fought it. I fought 2 minutes still.
Me have work on morning, so let me see what time.
Well, you're not, we're not gonna talk tomorrow, man. Left.
So please enjoy this
Oh,
short
okay.
gameplay
What was that?
preview.
Man, that was Dizzy. That was 5 nights at Diddy's, man.
It's the part of disease. That was disease. Madness.
How about this now, bro?
Yeah, what game is sir?
What is Man Before Christmas? The game.
Oh my god. Bumbo Clad 5 frames.
5 nights at Diddy's.
Huh?
The Lubriking.
How I use the lubricant over 5 nights at Diddy? Type shit.
What is this game, bro?
Kind of fuck with them.
Oh, this game?
Moon
Oh,
hood.
what is that, man?
That have to be a remember. Nobody now have to go blind themselves.
Midnight Walk. Coming May
Darwin
8th.
Paradox.
VR? Bro.
I just say so.
Special thanks to Klaus and Olaf for that
Come again.
updated look at the Midnight Walk.
Brother, I know you want octopus, I know
Up
me
next,
G.
a quirky new adventure from Konami.
I'm a blood clot.
Believe we octopus, you hear that?
In Darwin's
Believe.
Paradox, you
Oh,
play as Darwin, a clever octopus who finds himself
Darwin
dumped near
Paradox,
a highly
you-
suspicious food processing center.
Ah, this Warriors Roulette. Oh, okay.
Somebody I go find this game of fun.
Use Darwin's natural camouflage and
Warriors
thinking skills
Abyss.
to escape the facility and save the world.
Somebody going to be playing this game.
This look alright still, the Warrior Abyss, yeah.
The octopus shit. A Squidward.
We're excited to reveal a brand new title
One
from Koei
Squiddy.
Tecmo Games and
Infinite
Omega
hell awaits.
Force.
Warriors
a
Abyss.
roguelite spin on the Warriors franchise.
This coming like a game there.
Oh, this no man, this coming like what name?
Yeah.
Dynasty Warrior.
Other game there. Yeah, that's it.
Descend into hell.
That done for me now, me move on to the
Call
next
on
game, you know.
powerful
Next game now.
You beat it.
Oh, this look like. Oh
Experiment
no, I
with
think
tons
that's
of
Susha.
playstyle
You
combinations.
you beat the Dynasty.
No.
Huh? What do you mean by move on? You know, Donny.
A roguelite hell awaits when Warriors Abyss
Oh, this
launches on
a shit, man.
PS5 and PS4 later today.
I don't want to
I
overhead.
mean, that game there, them are sure.
I don't want to overhead Dynasty Warrior.
I won't forgive you. Prepare yourself.
A PS2 era classic
A
returns
PS2
with Onimusha
era.
2, Samurai
Onimusha.
Destiny. Capcom is
Me not think
advancing
me ever
the
play a
original game
Onimusha.
with HD graphics
Ever.
with a host of quality of life features, including fine-tuned analog controls.
Bumbo is that
Immerse
Oshi? What?
yourself in Juve's
Onimusha?
hardcore journey
Onimusha.
This looks
and fight
sick.
through a world of turmoil alongside
PS2,
trusted
you know.
allies.
Onimusha?
Onimusha
Capcom
2
presents.
Samurai's Destiny comes to PS4 on May 23rd. and
PS4?
will be available for
Samurai
pre-order
Destiny.
later today.
Oh,
PS4?
captured on PC.
Looking to 2026, let's check out
PS4?
a new trailer for Capcom's latest entry in the series, Onimusha: Way of the Sword.
PC graphics, they look tease.
Capcom presents.
You just reach this, huh?
Yeah, dog. You sitting me no know. Me no know if it tell you.
Man, gone. Me not the middle of the game that we both see. Bad, man. Are them zombies? Eating blood.
Sparta, take your money right now, right, Sparta?
Well, I not see nothing yet.
Buckler.
Me not see nothing yet. Me a wait. Me not see nothing yet.
Buckler.
Naja mute now.
Tap your nice man, you better think. Catch him on fire. Yeah man, you can't go on, man.
He got a gear.
Can't go on, man. I get
Hey, this is not a remaster.
Where there?
Why does it look so slow?
Buckler, man, chop on the half.
We? What were the blood clot over this? I'm getting a granddad movement here. Oh, it's so slow.
Wait.
Got them right. Yeah, man, only Musha. When did I come out? Please, take my money, please.
Yo, bum clot, yo. Yo!
2026.
the fatality. Them the game that me attack. Oh!
Look like Splinter Cell? No, not Splinter Cell. Where the cap come?
500 million in the arena, Sparta.
500 million? 2026? What even show me for?
Yeah, Metal Gear.
What even show me for?
Pre-order right now.
2026, why you show me that for?
Take my money right now.
Snape?
He's coming here. I'm sure of it.
Snake? Snake! Man, I have to refresh the page because on the over here is a speed.
Big boss.
Then they're out to kill me elsewhere.
The box.
What's the story between you and Boss?
Oh, no August then say this. Then leak. I think August then leak.
I pop out, sir.
Me have my weed. Ready for the smoke and mash up my spleen.
They are enhanced.
Suppose you're a shit bug. You know that.
Metal Gear don't deal with reality, you know.
They definitely don't.
But a reality game we deal with, so we are talking about.
You never play a Pal World then.
Metal Gear is not a realistic game at all.
Really is right now, world. This game too. I know one cat to that grab one gun and shoot it. How can I eat that monkey game this year?
Snake versus apes. Watch.
Yeah, man.
August,
no? Yep.
GTA!
You're too lying, man.
Oh, why if you that?
You're too lying, man.
Yes!
You're too lying.
Yeah, you know, denial over them, man.
Ain't no way in hell. Me know I'm on GTA.
Ace Combat.
The man never gonna do that.
What game is that? Yeah, Battlefield, right.
Why everybody in front of me?
Yeah, right.
What is this?
Why everybody in front of me?
Where's the Wolverine?
Bombo, this looks sick. It's coming like Division. Bombo, like a Division. Bombo, may I get this?
Hold on, what is this?
I don't know reach there.
Oh, this game. Yeah, this one actually looks sick.
May I get this?
Oh, they let it down go or some shit.
Yeah.
May I get this, bro? Take my money.
It did look interesting, yes.
Take my money. Take my money. Them get like take my body.
But we see this already. Come on, show us something.
Show us something new, man. We see it already, man.
Hatred and lots of it. Impossible. It's you.
Brawling. My money pot.
We've begun to uncover.
I have a lightsaber. September. For your fuck.
What they want to know? Round 8 Studio. Oh, I know the game, yeah.
I mean, at least we get release dates.
Is it coming to Xbox though? This
Why you
again?
try move for Xbox?
What is now?
You know the P
My brother
one
big
give us
game
that
the
with
Pinocchio.
P.
Oh my god.
Pinocchio 2.
What?
What is the Pinocchio game, man?
This is Pinocchio.
all of a sudden.
Maybe.
What they call it? Life of P. Lies of
Yeah,
P.
P.
What a pleasure to meet a stalker worthy of the name. It's been far, far too long.
So they got a sequel now?
My forever friend. Help me to hold your hand and dance.
Me nah buy that.
Me nah play that a blood. Nah. Stress levels.
Give me money.
Stress level max.
Give me money.
Brother, we go play it.
Yeah.
Legendary. She stepped up only because no one else.
Me already spot one. Me spot the last one. Which other game?
Give me my money.
More wait to see what they say about the co-op.
I'll do whatever it takes. Your survival is.
I co-op are literally beginning of next month.
Oh, again,
This is a deal.
I swear I won't be late. Not again.
Yo, that man, I feel as if me need to go somewhere else watch this, you know, because it's not speak. I'm so
Again,
far ahead.
Bayon.
Pizza drunk, Sparta.
Day one by
Pixel junk, me just a see it.
handheld Game Boy game.
How this here?
What?
You can't get it now. Buckler.
Switch game, switch game.
Definitely me I get this. Let me switch. Switch to.
Switch two, switch two.
Switch to. Switch to.
You have gun.
What you mean?
Oh, it's one of those.
Bomboned.
Yeah, we are your money.
Najee, your game this, no?
Woke again.
Definitely.
The game just woke.
Your game this.
Yeah, buy that money. Take my money. Take my money.
Buckler, there's no reason you can tell me say nah,
Wait, is that one of Dreams this?
This should be running at 60 on the Switch.
Because it look good, it look cool, it's different from the rest. It's not the same.
60 FPS on the Switch. You can't tell me nothing else.
Dream of what? Another?
This look like another Dreams.
Coming 2025. They didn't even have a date for it yet.
Yeah, see,
PS.
Dreams.
PS5.
It actually named Dreams.
Dream.
Look what like way PS5 symbol look like
Of
a PS
another.
Vita say. It's threatening, you know?
So a Dream sequel.
Actually named Dreams. That's crazy.
I want a sequel for Dreams.
I'm telling me about a dream name I'm gonna go
A
buy
VR game though.
皆さんこんにちは。Q ゲームスのクリエイティブディレクターのバイオ。
こんにちは。
私の最新作ドリームオブサナザーはいかがだったでしょうか。破壊なくして想像はないというテーマのもと、ドリームオブサナザーではシューティングゲームの常識を覆す体験ができます。武器で傷つけたり破壊するのではなく、
What? No, don't go in depth about it. Next.
想像することができるのです。
Then got more night, no?
ワイルドクラウドというテクノロジー。プレイヤーは幻想的な夢の世界
Oh, days gone, we
Yo,
must
30 minutes gone, you know.
That may I say you.
The show almost done.
シリーズでの追加ができます。ありがとうございました。
Arigato gozaimashita.
Hey
Days
everyone,
Gone
I'm Kristen
Remastered.
Zatani, and I'm excited to share even more PlayStation news in today's show.
Who want that? Yo,
Days
a
Gone
remaster Station 5 for real,
The
no?
version of Ben Studios' post-apocalyptic open-world epic comes to PS5.
Nobody don't want that, bro. The game is perfectly clean.
It also includes added content like permadeath and speedrun modes, and
Nah,
enhanced
digital
solo
version,
mode,
so could nobody
new
upgrade that for
accessibility
free.
features, and Horde Assault.
This game
a
didn't need
survival
anything.
arcade mode
It
with
was
increased
fine.
horde sizes that will provide a fresh way to experience Days Gone. And if you purchase Days
The
Gone on
graphics clear, you
PlayStation 4,
fuck.
you can
How much
upgrade
clear you
to a
want it to be?
digital version of Days Gone Remastered and get all the content and features for $10. Days Gone Remastered launches on PS5 April 25th.
The yams?
New DLC is coming to Stellar Blade this June.
Hey!
The sci-fi action game is partnering with Goddess of
You
Victory
better have
Nike
two
on a new boss
announcements
battle,
outside.
collectible dolls and stickers, plus a new outfit.
No new mission?
That's what you said,
Both the
isn't it?
Nike DLC and the PC version of Stellar Blade launch this June.
Me are play.
We've got some great PlayStation Plus updates today,
Yeah,
starting with
them
game
say,
catalog
you
titles
know,
arriving on
like that,
February
yeah,
18th. Star Wars Jedi Survivor,
What, the
Top
catalog?
Spin 2K25, and
Bruh.
launching into game catalog Lost Records Bloom and Rage
Bruh.
from the creators of Life is Strange.
Well, them they are come to a portal too.
Again, it's just all females.
That Star Wars they are come to a
In this
portal
episodic
streaming too.
adventure, players will join 4 high school girls living through the defining summer of their lives.
Bro, nobody no give a high
What
fuck
begins
about
as
this
a tale
shit.
of friendship will eventually blend reality, dreams, and the unknown into a dual timeline. The first episode of Lost Records Bloom and Rage arrives February 18th, with the second episode arriving in April. We're also excited to confirm 2 unique indie titles that will launch into game catalog later this year. Explore a mysterious mansion in Blueprints, a genre-bending architectural adventure.
God.
Every door is a new decision as you build out a sprawling manor with 45 shifting rooms, adding layers of strategy, puzzles, and exploration. Blueprints launches day 1 into game catalog this spring.
Where would he even show this? You're wasting my time, man.
Abiotic Factor is a 6-player survival crafting
Well,
game
the cancel
based
this
on
shows that
30
if-
field games.
Bro.
Stranded miles beneath the surface, you and a
This
team of
is
scientists must craft
37
ingenious
minutes.
gear and traps to outwit your enemies and make this bizarre
Bro, I
underground
see
complex your
tier
new
this
home.
so far, bro. Where the
They
fuck?
better not. Cancel
Abiotic
Ghost of
Factor will be
Yotei.
available in
You
game
don't need to show
catalog
us
when
that
it
again.
launches
You
this
need to show
summer.
something new now. You have no more time left.
Now let's get a sneak peek at games coming to the PlayStation
Exactly.
Plus Classics catalog.
Man, I'm gonna show you.
Coming soon are the
They better
first
show us
3
something.
Armored
Yes,
Core
your
titles from the
Bloodbourne.
original PlayStation: Armored Core Project Phantasma, and Armored Core Master of Arena.
Oh my god,
Meanwhile,
Armored
Capcom 3 slides its way
Core!
into the Classics catalog
What is
next
this?
week.
No one knows how that
Oh, what
world
is,
came into being.
Are the
It devoured
propaganda shit
everything
this
from
man?
the past.
Whoa.
Only I was left.
Uh-oh. Is this woke?
That was a fatal mistake.
Where
Woke.
are my white male characters?
Woke.
It's the aura of the Grail pieces. I can sense it.
Woke lad. Or just be a woman.
That's what
Woke.
I'm saying.
To be forged.
You need to play. Which is not white males.
My wish can be fulfilled.
What is it? Woke.
DEI.
But wishes come at a price.
What is
To
it?
pursue one's wishes.
Get
Is
this
to court
DEI
one's doom.
game off my screen.
Oh my god. She could have at least looked like Stella Yams.
Holy Grail. Blood.
Man, them say Stella Yams.
This is a feast only for the
Is this the
king.
names?
This is Stella Yams clone.
Gwendolyn,
This look like Stella Yams? Is Stella
this
Yams
is
too?
your final
A Stella Yams
warning.
clone, them a do. Over here, man. They tried it.
My quarrel lies not with you. But I will take back everything.
Right
that
now, this a look
belongs
more
to
like Lost Soul aside women edition.
me, even if the price is my soul.
Woke. Forspoken too.
Forspoken.
The table is dead. It exists no more.
Oh boy. Oh, Mass Effect. What is?
It's Marathon.
Marathon, what's that?
How do you feel? Is something bothering you?
What is?
Just some noise in my
Marathon.
core.
I don't know what that is. Marathon? Who made this up?
Deep down in the depths of Vulcan,
Bungie?
you must retrieve the architect's core.
boy, boy, oh
They
boy,
will
ladies
send everything they have to stop us.
You know I would never want to see you hurt. But the path we walk demands the extreme.
Well.
I remember you.
Run away.
Metal. Cool.
My memory's still a
P5
bit
Pro.
blurry.
Build a rocket. What?
Remember this. DS! Showtime!
Spec Ops?
I have these gaps inside my head. Sound like it's a 10-minute window. You made it.
The typical hairstyle. Oh my god. Why this so?
Leftover hardware. It's been decommissioned. What the hell is happening?
Battlefield?
All I know is that Silvercorp is a piece of my story.
GTA?
I'll cover you.
What the community?
What the fuck?
Answers about the tech in your head? Are you kidding me? This thing has ruined my life.
A Mass Effect, bro.
What you did?
Call of Detroit.
This is not the first time we've had a fatal error with your tech. Yes, make it stop! Make it stop! I know what I have to do. This is the only way.
What? Mind's Eye?
Hello, I'm Leslie Benzies, director of Mind's Eye, Builder Rocket Boy's new action adventure set in the fictional city of Red Rock, where AI and human greed collide to
Man,
bring
I'm a
Earth
call for
to the precipice of
Wolverine,
collapse.
Yotei,
Captured on
This can be a
PlayStation 5
headline.
Pro.
Bloodbourne.
We're now proud to share some
Hold on,
gameplay
hold on,
footage
hold on,
of
hold on.
explosive combat and high-octane
This
driving
cannot be the
you can
headline.
expect on PlayStation 5 later this year.
Wait, is that the boy from... What name? My name. Oh, I am name used for Mafia 3. Why do driving look so weird?
What's going on in there? It was an ambush. Do what you can. Do not lose her.
DEI.
Uh-oh.
We're typing DEI in the chat.
All of a sudden it's not woke, huh?
I'm coming to you now. The search and rescue.
Boy, this better be free with plus, boy.
Finally, PS Studios.
Madam say
It's going to
just...
be the ghost, isn't it?
Madam say I just cause. Ghost. Do it. Do it.
Is this
It always
FedEx?
comes back to this.
Please, no.
What is this?
Don't do that. It can't be.
Take my money, take my money.
A Wolverine?
Wolverine gun. Whole time they are chatting whole time, you know?
This world.
I whole heap of good one, me everything me I buy.
This isn't FedEx.
Is this a Helldivers? What is?
Thing off I market, you know.
I don't know what this is.
The last game without me, I get that. The last game I just show up. So this doesn't like. Whole time they are watching a chat.
Mass Effect?
Every time the sun dies, madness reigns.
No, this is too hard. This is somebody with about 8 arms. You know,
Concord.
play that.
Then everything begins again.
No, it's not good. Next. Not that, brother.
But after every death, I always come back strong.
This shit getting weird.
And you know that daddy with 8
Let-
arms now I go
I
to
feel
turn
like-
on too.
I know that you are here, and I will find
Returning, can return it back. Returnal 2, Returnal 2,
I don't know what this is.
Postmark, yes. Buying.
2026.
Day one.
We didn't even see anything. Me not buy me not see gameplay.
By the time you save up, you can't buy it.
Me not see nothing, Bozy.
Hey everyone, I'm Gregory Loudon, Creative Director at Housemarque. We are thrilled to announce that our latest game, Saros, is launching next year on PS5 and enhanced for PS5 Pro. Saros is the ultimate evolution of the Housemarque gameplay
speed through because I always I set things before me even see it.
Oh my god, Sparta saying is woke.
You play Arjun
That
Devraj,
is
performed
woke?
by the brilliant Rahul.
The thing is woke.
Arjun is
What
a
isn't?
powerful enforcer
Must be
searching
troll.
for answers on
More
a hostile
space
shape-shifting
DEI.
planet.
More
haunted
space
by ominous
DEI.
secrets. All of us at Housemarque can't wait to share more about Saros,
Yo.
with our first look at
One of them
gameplay
just-
coming later this year. Thanks for
It's
watching.
done. That was it.
Tired, they're hurt. All this DEI is annoying them. That's it? Nah, one more.
Oh my god, all the Bloodbourne man them.
No Bloodbourne for you.
All the Bloodbourne man them.
Oh no.
I can say
Me not take that.
Monster Hunter.
Me not take that.
Where's Max?
I'm not taking that personally. Bro, them man here sit calling Bloodbourne, Yotei, God of War, Remaster. The man. Why did I get not one thing?